Hey, I'm doing another unboxing here with some more blind boxes. I have two different ones. I got these both off of eBay. Um, this one is the Monster Paradise monboo, and I've gotten some stuff from them before. I got this one from them. I did a little alteration to it a little bit though, but I really liked it, so I wanted to get another one. So I got that, and I got one of the Pin for Love mini labubus, and it's N through Z. And for this one, there's a few that I wouldn't mind getting: the R, the T, W, V. Yeah, and I think the secret might be a gray one too, and I wouldn't mind that one as well. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with the monboo Monster Paradise. So I got this purple cat. It's pretty cute. I like the feet. The paws are really cute. It's got like a vinyl face, purple eyes. It's really cute. I think you can take this scarf off, it said on there. It says boom in the middle. This one's called a bomb cat. And came with a little key ring. I like that. That's cute. I'll probably take the scarf off. It's really soft. Awesome. I like that. Now for the Pin for Love. Comes in a little plastic bag with a drawstring. Oh, and it's the purple one. It's so cute. It's so small. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It's letter T. I like that. It's really cute. It's got purple nose, purple eyes. I think it has adjustable arms. Yeah. You can't turn its head though. I like that. It's cute. I mean, it's not as good quality as the other Labubu series, but it is really cute and tiny. It has a T on the back. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So, oh, it comes with a sticker. Cute sticker. So yeah, that's what I got. A lot of purple, my favorite color. So I'm happy with that. Oh no, I ripped the QR code. Oh well. But yeah, that's what I got in this blind box unboxing.